In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-impact presentation with ChatGPT 4.0. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, make sure to select GPT 4.0 from the model list. This model is known for its exceptional reasoning abilities and the structured quality of its outputs, ensuring you get the best results for your presentation needs. Before diving into the details, it's essential to start with a clear objective for your presentation. Take a moment to define exactly what you're creating this presentation for. Are you pitching a groundbreaking new SaaS product to potential investors? Or perhaps you're preparing a strategic analysis for senior executives? Whatever the purpose, having a clear objective will guide the entire creation process. Now it's time to craft the perfect prompt for GPT 4.0 by providing complete and specific details about your presentation. Think about the following elements. What's the central topic? Who is your audience? Senior executives, perhaps, or technical teams? Specify the slide count or an estimated range, like 10 to 15 slides. Consider the tone and style, whether it's formal, persuasive, or consultant-like. Decide on the content depth, whether you need a high-level overview or a deep dive complete with supporting data. Don't forget the key data points you want to include, such as market size or financial figures, and determine the visuals you need, like charts or diagrams. If there are specific brand guidelines, keep those in mind too, perhaps certain colors or fonts. Finally, clarify the call to action. What do you want your audience to do after they've seen your presentation? Here's an example of how to put together your prompt. Create a 12-slide McKinsey-style presentation on the future of renewable energy in Southeast Asia for senior government and business leaders. The tone should be data-driven and formal, including market growth forecasts, investment opportunities, and key policy recommendations. Suggest charts, maps, and infographics. End with a 3-point executive summary and clear next steps. Once GPT 4.0 has generated the initial draft, review the slide structure carefully. Ensure it follows a logical consultant framework, perhaps the situation, complication, resolution structure, and feel free to ask ChatGPT to reorganize the flow if needed. You might benefit from using the MICI, mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive structure to enhance clarity and effectiveness. Next, seek suggestions for visuals and charts. You might ask for a bar chart to depict market growth by country or a pie chart for investment distribution. Visual aids are crucial for making data comprehensible and engaging. Finally, export the content and start designing in PowerPoint or Google Slides. Choose a minimal and clean template, something with a white background, consistent fonts, and bold headings. And remember, as you add charts, ensure you're using actual data from trusted sources to maintain credibility. With these steps, you've harnessed the power of ChatGPT 4.0 to craft an engaging, well-researched presentation tailored to your needs.